Hello, True Blue crew. We are at day number 12. This is the final template for the Advent Mini Quilt, but there's a surprise at the end, so stay tuned for what's coming next. But first, I want to open up the final template for our Advent Mini Quilt. 12 days of Christmas, which, as we know, 12 days of Advent here. 12 days of Christmas doesn't start until afterwards. Ooh, very fun. A smaller triangle with the long edges. So we're actually going to put 8 of these together to make our block today. So I'm really excited. I think these are going to be really, really beautiful blocks. Okay, for one of our gradient blocks with our half diamond, I am going to come back to my focus fabric, and I can minimize waste here if I tuck that right in like that. Okay, so I have 2 of those, and I'm going to pair that one with my dark green. And I know I've used this combination a couple times already, but it just is so pretty. And that will be a good selection. Okay, so there we have those to pair up with the green, and I think I want to do a double red, so I can use that. I'm just trying to see if actually those snowflakes would be pretty with that too. So let me do these candy canes, and we'll center a few of them there. Make sure I have fabric everywhere. In place. And there we have our 4 fabrics for our half diamonds. Okay, day 12, we have lots of these long half diamonds. So we are going to sew them together in 4 pairs and then put the 4 diamonds together into one large diamond. Yeah, so this looks odd because we're gonna sew that to the next pair, and that will take up that seam allowance, and I'm right at a 1/4 inch there. So now I want to overhang that seam, and I'm going to use my seam allowances as my guide there. I want those green fabrics to line up there. and block 12. Okay, now Carolina offered an option of making a mini quilt with just 12 blocks, so you can look at the finishing instructions for that. But I am going to keep sewing for days 13 through 24, the bonus add-on. I'll reveal those bonus blocks soon. In the meantime, discover why I took the drastic step of cutting a hole in my quilt.